Hi again. Now I'm going to tell you how to create new rules for your style sheet and apply them to different portions of your page. So first of all, we have to click on this button on the right side of your CSS panel, new CSS rule. Click on it, and there are three types of CSS rules. First of all, we're gonna create class, and it can be applied to any tag. Mostly we apply this style to our table data cells, and just name it dot example. Do remember, if you are trying to create class rule, you have to press point button, which is full stop, from your keyboard, and then write any name which you can remember. Press OK, and let's give it some style, like I want this text to be blue, and the size should be 12, and the width should be bold, and the background should be a little bit like gray. Okay, apply and OK, and you will be able to see this style created on your style sheet panel. Here it is, and let's apply it now. Select any part of your page on which you want to apply this style, and click on the table data button. This tag is now selected. Table data means that the whole cell is now selected. Right click on it and go into set class and click on the example, cause we have created this class ID before. Click on it, and you can see that our style is now applied to this page. And if you want to apply this style to another page, you can go on that page, select the table data, right click on it, class and example. So you can apply different styles to different pages. And the good part is, if I try to change this, make some changes on this CSS rule, let's click on it and press on the edit style button and change the background, and also change the color. Let's choose green for now and press OK. As you can see, the color of your style sheet rule is now changed and applied to the all the pages on which this style was used. Go into previous page, example.php, and you can see the change here as well. So it comes very handy if you want to make a change in 100 pages, let's say 100 pages or 20 pages, and you have applied a style sheet to those pages and used this rule on those pages. You can change on one file on your style sheet, and the change will appear on every page which you have created.